Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the ultimate showdown, Harbor Freight versus Home Depot tools. So if you're in the market for some new gear, stick around, this is gonna be good. First up, let's talk Harbor Freight. Known for their budget-friendly prices, they've really nailed it for the casual DIYer. Their tools might not be top tier, but for weekend projects and occasional fixes, they get the job done. The best part? You won't break the bank, but be cautious. Some items might lack the durability you need for heavy-duty tasks. On the flip side, we have Home Depot, a DIYer's paradise. Their tools are generally more expensive, but you get what you pay for. Home Depot offers a wide range of brands, including some high-end options like Milwaukee and DeWalt. These tools often boast better build quality and longevity, making them ideal for frequent use and tougher jobs. Plus, their customer support is top-notch. So, which is better? Well, it really depends on your needs. If you're a hobbyist or just need something for occasional use, Harbor Freight could be your go-to. But if you're tackling bigger projects or need something reliable for regular use, Home Depot's higher quality tools might be worth the investment. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between cost and quality. Both stores have their strengths, and the key is to match the tool to your task. So next time you're shopping for tools, consider what you need them for, and make the choice that best fits your needs. That's it for today, DIYers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.